Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how we can make our Facebook cover picture private. So let's start the video. First, go to your Facebook app. Now click on these three lines. Go to your profile. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to change my cover picture. So upload photo. Choose any of the picture you like to. Now save it. Now click on this cover picture. View profile cover, swipe to your right. Now click on this three dot on your top right. Now you can see the option edit privacy. Click on that. So for you to make your picture private, click see more and make it only me, and it's done. In this way you can make all of your cover picture private. Now only you can see your cover picture. And if you have any question regarding this process, feel free to leave your comment and subscribe to this channel.